I put together a few before and after pictures just to kind of really show the difference. I mean, I know walking through some before and walking through after is you know, it's eye-opening. And part of my favorite is really seeing how it's actually transformed. On the left, you see before. On the right is the curb appeal that we added after. You can see there's a brand new garage door. The roof's been completely redone. The front door is absolutely beautiful. I didn't get a great shot of the before picture of the front door, but that's an all-wood door with the window light on the top. Beautiful new front door, totally brand new. Put a new light on the front. That adds a lot of curb appeal. People love that. We painted the entire outside, so you can see that all that's fresh paint. Put in a new support beam, new shutters, pretty much everything. Here's the back of the house. So this is just another exterior shot. So we got rid of that deck. It was all rotted, so we actually just completely got rid of it. We cleaned everything up. We put in a brand new door. You can see ours is the 9-light door with the 9 windows in it. You can see all the trees now. You can actually see all the way through to the fence. You see the new roof. Everything's that blank slate, ready for a new buyer. So here's the kitchen. Absolutely amazing. The cabinets were old. The counter was all chipped up and tiled and old. The appliances were on their level. We didn't change the size of the kitchen. We just opened it up by removing that wall. That whole thing where you see the granite go all the way down the ledge, that was actually all wall. So we opened up that wall, so now you can see from the kitchen into that living room. These are brand new cabinets, brand new faucet, brand new sink, brand new granite, brand new appliances, brand new vent-a-hood, brand new track lighting, brand new paint, flooring, everything. This turned out really, really well. And then you can kind of see what we made it into. So totally different. This is the master bedroom. On the left side's before, and you'll see all the tile. Well, the tile, because the foundation was shifting, like I was saying before, started getting all chipped up. They had a water leak. They had all sorts of stuff that was kind of happening on this thing. And so we actually had to go in there and remove all the tile, which actually is kind of expensive. Obviously remove the ceiling fan, get rid of the windows, fix the windows, do all new electric, the whole shebang. And then now we get to the version on the right-hand side, which is obviously way better. So here's the master bath. What we did here is, because there actually wasn't a tub here to begin with, we just did a walk-in shower, so somebody can put a shower curtain on here, or if they wanted, they probably could have had us add frameless glass for them. The only thing we do a little bit extra in the master bathrooms is we'll do an 8-inch spread faucet. That's more expensive. That's a huge upgrade here in Dallas. So buyers really like that. Left side before, right side after. Obviously you can see it's a complete night and day. This is the hall bath, and on the left was the picture where we don't even have a sink, and we've got the 1980s movie star lights. So just before and afters, totally completely different. Like I said, once again, new faucet, new granite, new sink, everything you see is totally new. The only thing we kept was the tub, and we refinished that. Here was the kind of the before and afters of that living room, right? So we had to refinish that mantle they were so proud of. We got rid of the wood paneling, and we just put up drywall. We removed this wood paneling because it was super ugly, and found out that there was no drywall, no insulation, no nothing behind it. It was literally just an empty gap, and you could see the exterior bricks. So we found out that we had to completely rebuild that wall, add insulation into it, make sure that the fireplace was all still working correctly. So yeah, obviously the flooring's totally different. The super dirty tile is gone. The rest of the room, completely brand new. The only thing that we left besides the mantle were the brick, and then we actually painted the brick white, and then we left the cedar mantle on there. New paint, brand new ceiling fan. We scraped all the popcorn and everything off the ceilings. New baseboards, and you can see all the outlets now. Very exciting. The project took us 6 weeks, which is a little on the longer side of things. We were just wanting to take it slow and do it right. It's kind of expensive to do this, but Brandon and I really like to kind of go a little bit the extra mile on our renovations, which is good.